Hey my beautiful family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are hearing Christinamfelix for today. So I'm so sorry if my voice is not that clear, just bear with me. I'm a little bit strong and I'm just trying to get myself well, and please guys pray for me to get well soon, because this thing is not easy and I don't want you to feel bored, guys. That is why I'm trying to put something there today. Okay guys, in our today's video we are going to show ourselves how we can make our thumbnail and how we can make our banner ourselves by using our picture. So how we can make it and how we can create it. You can make it or you can create it. So what we are going to do, I'm going to start from scratch. So for most of us that we are not familiar with it and we are not familiar with your thumbnails. So what are the thumbnails? The thumbnails are the attracting picture, like banner is like an advertising picture that is front in your YouTube video. That is the first thing that your audience will see, that people will see, that they will use to come to your home. And your banner is your channel art. That is a picture that will tell us a little bit and more about your channel and about you yourself. So let's get into it. So we are going to use Canva. So guys, I'm going to use iOS, which is our mobile part. So because a lot of people, they were familiar with their phones, they always film and edit and make thumbnails, everything with their phone. So that is why I actually based on phone. You can actually do the same process, the same procedure on your PS2, on your PC. So sorry, so it's the same thing, all are the same thing. So you are going to go to your Chrome and you are going to download Canva. This is the picture right here. This is the picture. I guess you can see my hand there. So that is the picture, Canva. So we are gonna click on it. I have it already on my phone. This is how it will looks like. So it will opens. Once it opens, you are going to go to what you want and what you need out of it. So no need of downloading anything from Google, from other website anymore. Like for example, if you are going to use PixArt and Fonto, so they will ask you to download like background something for your channel art. No, we don't need that. The only thing that we are going to do is that just go to their search inside this Canva. You will see it right here. I'm coming, let me place very well. You can see the search, where the search is. So just put YouTube YouTube channel art. So sorry, so let's just type our YouTube channel art. So that is what we are going to work towards. We have thousands, as you can see, it's coming out right now. If you can see it very well, we have thousands of things, thousands of apps that this channel had, this Canva is working for. So you can actually use it for your display art, for your YouTube icon, for your YouTube video art, for your YouTube gaming intro, outro, business card, yoga, logo, even your website. So I encourage you guys to have it. It's very simple. So you just go there and edit, that is all. So we'll click on it. That is what we are going to do first before going to our thumbnail. So you choose any template that you want to use. Okay, so let's just try and look for a suitable thumbnails that we are gonna use here. Okay, I'm just trying to say something nice that we just going to, okay, let's just use this simple one. So yours is just for you to edit it colors, so that is just the only thing. So we are going to edit. You click on the edit. So just be looking at me right now. We are working on her channel art, which is your banner. So the displays, everything is editable. So you are going to write your own, what you are going to write, maybe your name. Okay, let's just put our name there. Okay, So we are gonna delete it, and I'm going to write my own name, Christinamfelix. So that is just it. It's very easy, and you can edit it, and right here I can remove it and I can put my own picture. So let me just find a suitable picture. Oh, what is this? You, this girl, what do you say to me? So I can put my own suitable pictures there. Let me just look for a suitable pictures. Oh my god, I have a lot of pictures here. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, let's use this one. Let me just try and use that. Oh, that one is video. Sorry, let's look for another picture. So you are gonna put a picture of your choice, any suitable picture. Where is picture? Come on, all her videos, right? Let's look for picture. Okay, let me go to my device. Okay, videos. Now. Where is don't we have picture? Jesus. Okay, picture. Okay, let me just use this one because we are just making it as an example. Assuming I'm gonna use that one as her picture. So this one also, if you are gonna edit it, the one at the back, you edit it, you can put something else also. So like for example, let's just put this one, or maybe we can put something like this, or maybe anything that you want to put. So just put it there. So that is just it about that. I'm coming. I just want to change the picture. Okay, let me just put my company name. Okay, that is just it. Assuming this is a channel art, this is how you want it to be. And if you don't like it like this, you can actually separate all of them. So okay, you click on it one after the other, you separate it like this, so it will come, and you can allow the name to come to the middle. So this one is there. So this is just it about that. I try to make it simple for a lot of people that they are using their mobile. So all this space from here, all this rectangle, they are for you. So just use it the way you like, and just use it more sensible. So that is just it about that. And the next thing, you just click mark, and you try to load it here. Once you save it like this, it's the same thing, really, it's the same thing. But as for me, I like using this side, like I like saving it like this, just for me to get the accurate and the number, the MB before maybe if I'm gonna increase it or something like that. And I love I love saving all my things in. It's like I've changed it. I've scattered everything. That is why it's telling me conflict. So maybe let's return this one to this place. I've scattered it all, so that is why it's like that. So let's just put that one there like that. I guess you guys can see very well. I'm so sorry, my hand is covering everything, but I just want to use mobile for some people that they thought they cannot do anything with their mobile phone. I actually started with this my mobile, and I'm still using my mobile for everything. And I got monetized with my mobile. So don't worry yourself too much, and don't stress yourself too much, and don't waste a lot of money on YouTube. So once we are done with our channel art, try as much as possible, let your number, the MB. So this is the normal size of our channel art, which is 2560 by 1440. So once you are done, just click on it. It will save itself, and just check it that your picture, it's everything, it's not more than 6 MB. So once it's not more than 6 MB, class, it's fine, you are lucky. So just go right there and put it inside your, let's just check it. how the thing I'm coming. I want to check the MB, so maybe it's right for us to use. So, and if you want to upload it, if you don't really know how to upload it, I have a video that talks about it. Okay, it's fine, so we can upload it directly like that. So I'm using this one just for an example for us, so you can actually use what you like. Just put a nice picture of yours that is okay. So we are going to go back and let's go to our thumbnail. It's the same process, so just for you to edit it and put your own thing. Right now we are going to search, so what we are going to do is YouTube thumbnails. So YouTube thumbnails, so you just type it there, everything will comes out. You can see it right here. So YouTube thumbnails. As for these thumbnails, it's different, like into two places. So okay, I'm coming. Let's just start first. We are going to edit it. I'm just using this one as an example, as I did the first one. So you edit it, you put your picture, so you put whatever you want to write as your wordings or any other logo. This one you can actually edit it. This one, everything is editable. Let's edit the picture. Let's put our own picture. So we are gonna put her home picture inside it. So okay, after we put our home picture inside it, just write anything that you wish to, that you want to write in there. Okay, it's like this side. I thought it's this side. Okay, let's use this one. Assuming we are going to use that one, so if you want to change your color, you can change the color, because the color of my background is different from the color of the lady used. And this one also, if you are going to use your background like that, it's fine. You can actually change the color of the weddings. For example, we are going to use, these are the colors here. I guess you can see the colors very well. Let me raise it up a little bit for you guys to see well. So this is your color right here. So just choose the suitable color that is sweet for you, that you wish to use, and you click here. Once you are done, you save it also. So that is just my skincare routine, beauty by Brandy. So you can change your own name. You can actually put your own name there. So once you are done, it's fine. You also save it the way we've saved the banner. Okay, but this is where I'm gonna let us to get aware. This is where I'm gonna create an awareness. You can see their own is, so if you are using the free, it will be normal, which is HD. But if you are using their pro, you can actually use full HD. But if you are going to use it here, right here, you want to save it and you want it to be full HD, so you just try to increase the cursor, you increase the arrow, you increase it to the front. You can see that the number has changed to 1928 and 1080. So once you are done, you save it like this. That means that is full HD. But normal one, which is that 720, is just HD. So that is just a simple way how to create a banner and how to create a thumbnail with our channel, with our Canva. I guess we've learned a lot of things today, and I guess we've learned one or two things. To see you in my next video. Bye guys, I love you so much. Bye, kisses, bye.